do you subscribe to the Pan-African idea that says African nations should find a way to unite to be able to make Africa one single strong force in terms of uniting their military, in terms of uniting their economics, the way the whole thing
I mean,
goes, the management of
everything I said
resources.
here is about Africa. I say
Yeah,
Nigeria in particular because we are from Nigeria. So it's an African
lovely,
thing. It's unity is the only way to progress.
lovely,
Yeah,
lovely, lovely.
yeah, it's all
So,
about
yeah,
unity, unifying everything, a unifying force. The source of creation is a unifying force. It's only
it's one.
bring about discrimination and all sort
The
of segregation.
divisions, the
That's an
divisions, lovely.
artificial division made by human beings. The source of creation is
Wow.
one energy. We're all one. Whoever is making a division is just ignorant.
Thank you.